I registered and waited for months, and finally I was able to take my COVID-19 vaccination shot. I was greeted by friendly workers. I asked them, why should people take the shot?
Because we need to stop the spread.
Because we care for Kupuna. Because it's the right thing to do.
Because we want to keep our community safe.
Awesome. Everyone out there should take your vaccine. Then in privacy, I was asked these questions. I filled in some forms and I have some questionnaires here, before I get the shot.
Do you have any bad reactions to any vaccination?
No, I'm fine.
Any vaccine in the last 2 weeks?
No, I'm fine.
Any allergies to food, medication?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. You ever tested positive for COVID?
No, I never did.
Okay. Any weakened immune system?
No.
Bleeding disorder?
No.
On blood thinners?
No.
Are you pregnant or breastfeeding?
Oh! Then I'm going to tell you guys, man, it's so important that everybody takes the shot there. Okay. First of all, show my big arm. Look at that.
Muscles.
See, everybody's looking at my big arm. Ladies, don't get all excited.
Guns away!
Okay. Ladies, this is what they call guns. Okay, we got Pharmacy Megan here giving me the shot. What do you mean? It's done already? You gotta be kidding me! Wow!
Okay, so we're gonna have to monitor you for 15 minutes. For
Okay.
any side effects, you may have a little bit of muscle pain in your arm for the next day or so.
Okay, second appointment.
Second appointment. Okay. This is your second dose for March 27th.
March 27, awesome.
Does 8:30 work for you?
Okay, perfect.
Okay, and you're good to go. Would you like a sticker?
Oh, they give a sticker.
Yes, you get a
awesome.
sticker and
Yes,
a notepad.
wow, awesome. It's so awesome.
Here
Thank
go.
you.
Thank you.
And I go wait 15 minutes. We got the friendly pharmacy students here from Daniel Inouye College of Pharmacy. Man, they're working so hard. They're always out there in the community. Hey, students, this is the toughest part for me. Waiting 15 minutes without talking, that's really tough. So I had my next appointment and I even got a pen, a notepad, and a sticker. So we encourage everyone to take your COVID-19 vaccination shot. So I want to say thank you to all the workers and volunteers. Aloha!